We are in Einsiedeln in Switzerland, and we are here with Yogi Surajnath and with Gorak Shabadis. Adesh Nachi, Adesh.
Alak Adesh Naji. So Gorak Sabadi, the sayings of Goraknath. Sabadi number 292. Khayaba piyaba jiyaba nahi, chaliba dhayaba thakiba nahi, hansiba kheliba bauliba nahi, dekhiba bhaliba bhuliba nahi. Translation by Bhagwan Nath and Yogi Surajnath. Eat, drink, don't indulge yourself. Walk, run, don't exhaust yourself. Laugh, play, don't chatter. Look, watch, don't go astray. Very simple words, but the profound sense of moderation. Not to be into extremes anyway. Eat, drink, don't die of hunger, don't eat more, don't eat less, and every time there will be little up and down. So be open to know how and what I am eating every time, and take moderate food. That is, don't indulge yourself. Walk, run, don't exhaust yourself in day-to-day life. Be natural, what way it is needed, maybe fastly sometimes, maybe slowly, maybe easily, maybe patiently looking. So looking into situations, understanding, and in this too there is little ups and downs are always part of life. So walk, run, but don't exhaust yourself. Laugh, play, don't chatter. In another Sabdi, Gorak says, Hashiba, Kheliba, Rahiba, Rang. Laugh, play, and live colorfully. Hashiba, Kheliba, Rahiba, Rang. Ahanishi, Katiba, Ahanishi, Rakiba. Ahanishi, Hashiba, Kheliba, Rahiba, Rang. Ahanishi, Katiba. Well, that is another Sabdi 7. Let us not keep it incomplete when we have started talking about that. So, Hashiba, Kheliba, laugh, play, and live joyfully. Kam, Krodh, Nakariba, Sang, have nothing to do with lust, anger. Laugh, play, sing your song, and keep your mind steady like this. Moderation while living and being with the sense, that is freedom from the known by knowing its place in daily life and its limit otherwise psychologically, with the sense, that is innocence, presence of the mind, observation of what is happening within and around, and that way emptiness and the emptying of consciousness with the awakening of bodhi or divine fire on its own. Look, watch, don't go astray. Look, watch, but watch your desires also. And so when you go astray, it is in some or the other desire thought. So noting whatever the things come up in mind, and noting desires also, and being observant toward the stream of life from within and around. Maybe the sound of these bells as well. Nothing to do with beliefs, but listening what is happening within and around, and this is it.
Maybe you want to explain in Hindi also?
Yeah. So all right, that is a need. So कुछ स्पष्टीकरण हिंदी में. तो खाओ पियो, खाए पिए मगर लिप्त ना होए, भूखे भी ना मरे, ज़्यादा भी ना खाए. सो तृष्णा को जानते रहे, खाए पिए लिप्त ना होए, चले दौड़े मगर अपने आप को थकाए नहीं, जैसी ज़रूरत हो उस तरह से. हंसे खेले मगर बतियाए नहीं, और देखे बारीकी से देखे और भटके नहीं, तृष्णा में भटके नहीं. जो जीवन गति अभी चल रही है, मध्यम मार्गी होकर के, मध्यम मग्न रह करके, मध्यम मार्गी होकर के जीवन जिए। और ये घंटा का नाद है, हमें उसका उसमें जो विश्वास मान्यता है उसके कोई मतलब नहीं, मगर जो ध्वनि है, नाद तरंग है, वो जीवन गति है इसी पल पल में। तो उसके प्रति चेतन रहे। ज्ञात की अपनी जगह है, मर्यादा है, ज्ञात से मुक्तता अलग संज्ञान है, और वो वर्तमानता है, वो अजानता है, वो बालापन है, गोरख बाला। और उसमें बोधि का जागना, ब्रह्म अग्नि का बोधि का जागना, और अपने आप से चित्त अवधूनन होना, अपने आप से बोधि का जागना और चित्त अवधूनन होना उसमें संभव है, उसमें सहज है। और ये प्रयोग करके गंभीरता के साथ बारीकी से जीते हुए चलने की बात है। ये जीवन गति के साथ भीतर बाहर एज इट इज लाइफ में जीवन जैसा है, आसती है वो पिंडता नासती नाही, व्हाट इज द वे ऑफ पंडित्स, नॉट इज। Okay, Naji, any question further?
All good, all right.
All right. Okay.
Thank you very much, Nachi.
Okay.
We enjoy this beautiful place.
Yes, of course we are enjoying this beautiful place in the heart of Switzerland, where all this original traces of Switzerland, houses and villages, all scattered in hills and valleys, we find here. And the name of this terrain is also Schwytz, I think Schwytz, huh?
Yes.
Yes.
And Einsiedeln with a very famous monastery in front of us. That's it. Adesh, Adesh.